I want to go over today's trade. Let me move this out the way. Always forget that too when I do that. Good thing I remember. Let's go over today's trade real quick. Made about $1,500 again today. Was up about 2,000, but I let some of it run down though, just in case it reversed. But it's all right. We still caught it. We still caught everything. As you can see, starting off on my smaller account, I did take this breakout trade. Of this little break right here, this little 930 opening range breakout. I caught these pips all the way down to this area. I closed that trade and I was happy with that. Nice $500 on one account. Then, we waited patiently. We had news at 10. So we wanted to wait to see how news reacts, see where price wanted to go. But as you can see, price finally came. It came and liquidated this area. So swept liquidity right here. Once it did that, I always typically see that at 9:30. Once price goes in one way on the opening range, on the rest of the day, it kind of reverses and go the opposite direction. So that's kind of what I was expecting today anyway. So once we had we were kind of in this bearish flag too. We fake breaked out of that. Got a lot of people stopped out. News came in, kicked in right here, stopped a lot of people out that was on that sell, and that's what market wanted to do today. So I waited for a 15-minute shift of structure. 15-minute was just a little more. I just wanted to know price was really headed up because I'm already selling into this resistance line. I was already buying into this resistance. So I'm like, okay. But I'm like, okay, price had enough volume with this candle. I saw we were going to be able to break through it. So I'm like, okay, I'll get in a little early. The most that this would do, I'll be in some profit. It'll come down right here. Should retest this area. And then I actually closed this position though now. Once it broke this trend line on a smaller time frame, I closed this. And now what I'm thinking is I'll get in on a break and retest of this area. So if it comes down here, comes down, boom, I want to see a shift of structure on the 1 minute at least before I enter this trade back to these highs. Another great position you can get in, break and retest. But very simple. Break out of here, retest. I got into this trade just due to 15-minute shift of structure. We broke out of this this flag right here, and then once we did that, I was more confident to enter this trade, and then I just held it out till what we caught today. This was I think like a 1 to 4 maybe, 1 to 4. Nah, 1 to 9. This was a 1 to 9 because my stop loss is extremely tight. Because I entered off the 15-minute breakout. As you can see, I entered it when that closed there. So kind of like right here. When I saw it was like 1 minute left on the 15-minute candle, I kind of entered maybe about right here. Stops about right here. So about a 1 to 5. And that's what I caught. $1,700, easy trade. Just patience, guys. See where market is going, guys. And that's the best thing. No FOMO, no emotion in this, guys. No emotion. Just react to where price is going. I could have easily said, okay, I think price is gonna go down, but that's not a reaction. So for me to have entered, for my longer position, I would have wanted to see a break of this area right here, this little resistance zone, and then like a retest and then continuation down, just so I know it wasn't a fake out. Same thing right here. So I want to know this is not a fake out. That's why I exited. I want this to come down, come retest right here, get in on a bullish engulfing candle, and then the rest is history. Or it can come this even if this comes, and then say if I wanted to sell. If I didn't take a trade, I took a trade, so I'm done for the day. But if I didn't take a trade, I'd have came down like, okay, I'll wait for it to form this little head and shoulders pattern. You're just waiting. You're just waiting and reacting based off what price is giving you. But yeah. I definitely want to take this buy up to this line right now, but I don't know. I'm already up. I don't think I should risk it. It's not worth it unless I'm risking a little bit of what I already made, like $400 or something. But yeah, we good. That's today's trade, and then thank y'all. Keep signing out, man. Let's go.